let me show you how to remove an Anthem light card from Anthem 1. You're gonna need 4 components. Obviously your Anthem 1 that already has a light card installed. Your replacement card, in this case, we're gonna be switching to an Anthem light card Ultra Color, your 1.5 millimeter hex drive, and a tube of Anthem thermal paste. Here we go. I check to see if the thermal paste is still moist. If it is, I don't need to replace it. To place the light card back in, notice that I'm pushing in the center. That's just to prevent it from rocking back and forth. And I feel where it hits its pocket, and then it's in place. When you're placing a fastener back into the front, I rotate it backwards until I hear a gentle click. That's how I know the threads are in alignment. Then I rotate forwards until it's finger tight. Don't overthink that. Some people will feel the need to be too loose. If you do that, you can actually cause the thermal paste to vape. If you over tighten, you can actually crack something. But don't think that means it's fussy. It's not. You'll know what finger tight is right here. That's finger tight. And that's how you change a light card in Anthem 1.
Anthem 1. We didn't invent the light. We perfected it.